From Richmond American Homes, and this model is beautiful. Now I've only seen this entryway, so I just kind of peeked in. Just to check it out, and I thought, wow, this is really nice right away. I like that these stairs are up on the left. I'll show you where I'm standing. And then to the right, you got this little, I don't really know what you would call this, some kind of cove that I'm guessing goes to the garage, which is locked. That's okay. So it's probably the garage. And you got this bedroom over here on the first floor. And a closet, and I don't really, these doors are a little difficult. Let's see if oh, that went well. So you can see the closet probably stops right around here somewhere and goes over to where the outlet is or so. So right away this checks off one of the things that I like to see, and that's to have some kind of a bathtub or a shower on the first floor. And over here, and this is your storage underneath the stairs, and I'm wondering if this is going to also be the pantry, but we'll see. As you can see all the shelves. That's pretty cool. Nice to see. And here we have our dining room. And our kitchen and living room. And I just happened to be looking at the lanai, or the covered patio. I was actually looking at how large this is while I was talking about the kitchen. I tend to do that. I tend to be looking at one thing when I'm making these videos, but I'm still talking about something else, or I'm still thinking about a different area of the house. And I do that all the time. I always have 2 or 3 things rolling around in my head at once. So this is a really fantastic first floor. I do like it. I like that it feels nice and separated. I mean, of course, the kitchen and your, living room is all attached. And this is as well, but there is separation. So let's take a look and see. So here's your pantry. So really, if you do need more storage, that storage underneath the stairs would be it. And I don't know if it would come with those shelves or not, so that's just something to keep in mind. I'm over in Haines City at Forest Creek, if I didn't mention it. I don't think I did. And this is great as well. Like this loft, I love how this loft is just sectioned off. It's a nice large loft as well. That's the HVAC. Here's your laundry room. And you got a fantastic closet. This is a large one. And you actually have to step into this closet, so you can see, like, actually now I'm touching the wall. You gotta actually step in it. Let's see, what do we have straight ahead? 2 sinks. I'm guessing there's a bathtub over here somewhere. Oh, toilet. And yep, there's the bathtub. So there's your toilet and your bathtub. Yeah, I like this. This is nice. And a bedroom with, oh wow, that's a big closet. Jeez. Let's see. Let's get the closet camera. So yeah, there's a lot of room in this closet. This is a good one, no doubt. And considering this isn't a master bedroom, so it's going to be interesting. It's going to be interesting to see what the master bedroom looks like. Let's see, what do we have here? Another bedroom. And so this is the master bedroom. I was just looking at how big it is. Because this house is, what was it, just over 2,000 square feet, I believe. So it just feels so much larger. Show you where I'm standing. So here's your master bathroom. Ah, the toilet in the closet. Look at it in all its glory. Towel closet. And let's see. Wow, that's a big closet. Okay, so in the master bedroom closet, you can see there's probably, I hope you can see, there's just a lot of space. This is a big closet. So basically, like my arms are about 6 feet, so I mean, I would say this thing's got to be at least maybe 10 feet long, quite possibly. And let's see, that would be about 4 feet. So you got about 4 feet or so wide, I would think, just based on my arms, of course. Don't hold me to that. Just a quick estimate. I like this house a lot, actually. This is probably one of my favorite two-story floor plans because it checks off all my boxes that I want in a house. We got 1, 2, where was the other ones? 3, here it is, 3. Got this bedroom here. So we got 3 bedrooms up on the 2nd floor. Plus, we got this really nice loft. This loft is fantastic. It's just a nice rectangle. It really is. It just feels so nice. It has a very cozy feeling in this house, I guess you could say. I don't know if it has something to do with how it's furnished, but it definitely does. And the other thing that I really like about it is, of course, you have bedroom here on the 1st floor. So you have a bedroom, but the biggest thing, as I always say, is having a bathtub or a shower or something like that. That's really important to have. The closet, again, this was a very big closet. And then you have this room over here, which is like, you know, this is your everything. This is your entertainment room. You your covered patio, your lanai, the place to eat. Plus, you know, you have everything else. Living room, or den, or whatever you want to call it. This island is really big. And they have 3 seats here. But you could easily squeeze 4 or maybe potentially 6 people around it, especially if it's some kids. Maybe put them here, take those seats and move them together. So just a really nice kitchen, lots of storage, and a 4-bedroom. The loft is sectioned. The lanai is a large one. What's there not to like? I don't know. Definitely one of my favorites. Gonna check out the square footage sign right now. So 2,170 square feet. The Palm. Yeah, just a fantastic model. If you're interested in this house or any others, please reach out, contact me. Or should I say in the state of Florida, of course. I'm happy to help you and represent you from start to finish. Thank you again. Have a good